If you're tired of that check engine light staring at you and worried about passing emissions tests, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Cataclean Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner, pack of 2. Let's kick things off with the Cataclean Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner. What grabbed my attention? It's designed specifically to tackle carbon buildup in your catalytic converter while helping you pass emissions tests. Priced competitively and backed by over 2,000 purchases this month, it's clear that people are trusting this product. Now, why does this matter for you? First off, Cataclean promises to reduce hydrocarbon emissions by up to 50%, which can be a lifesaver if you're facing potential fines or repairs. By restoring your catalytic converter, DPF filters, and oxygen sensors, it works to clear those annoying check engine lights caused by codes like P420 and P430. You simply add it to your fuel tank, and it's safe for gasoline, diesel, and hybrid engines. Here's why this matters. Cleaning these parts not only helps with emissions, but can also enhance fuel economy and overall engine performance, which translates to better mileage and fewer trips to the mechanic. Now, I'll be real with you, some reviews pointed out that it's not a miracle worker for vehicles with severely clogged converters. If your catalytic converter is already damaged, this may not be the fix you're hoping for. But here's the thing, for regular maintenance and to keep your engine running smoothly, it's an excellent investment that can save you from costly repairs down the line. This is perfect for you if you want to maintain your vehicle's performance without breaking the bank on repairs. Skip this one if your converter is already broken, as it won't fix physical damage. Overall, it's a solid value for your money. Now, if Cataclean's limitations worried you, the next option might just be the one you need. Product number 2, Cataclean Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner Single Bottle. Next up is another option from Cataclean, but this one comes in a single bottle. Similar to the last one, this cleaner promises to lower hydrocarbon emissions by up to 50% and improve overall vehicle performance. If you're looking for a reliable cleaner at a reasonable price, this is worth considering. So why is this important? This product not only cleans your catalytic converter, but also tackles carbon buildup in oxygen sensors and fuel injectors. Cleaner fuel injectors mean better combustion, which directly impacts your fuel economy and engine power. And when it comes to functionality, it's safe for various vehicle types, including hybrids and flex fuel models. Here's why this matters for you. Better fuel efficiency means fewer trips to the gas station. Who doesn't want that? However, some users mention that it takes multiple treatments to see significant results, which can be frustrating. But here's the thing. For those who are proactive about vehicle maintenance, the gradual improvement can be worthwhile, especially if you're not in a rush. This is great for you if you want a budget-friendly option that helps maintain your vehicle's efficiency over time. Skip this if you need immediate results, as it may take a couple of uses to notice a difference. It's a decent investment for regular upkeep. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a comprehensive cleaning solution. Product number 3, Timno Catalytic Converter Cleaner. Coming in at number 3 is the Timno Catalytic Converter Cleaner. Priced at around $17.96, it caught my eye because it comes as a 3-pack, which is a great deal if you plan to do regular maintenance. If you're looking to boost your converter's efficiency without emptying your wallet, this is worth a serious look. Here's the deal, this cleaner promises to optimize engine performance by reducing carbon buildup not just in the catalytic converter but also in oxygen sensors and fuel injectors. It's designed for easy use, just pour it into your fuel tank during refueling. The convenience alone makes this a great option for busy folks. Plus, it's safe for all types of vehicles, which means you don't have to worry if you drive a hybrid or diesel. But let's be honest, some users have noted that while it cleans well, it doesn't always tackle severe blockages. This product shines when used regularly, but if you're past the point of preventive care, it might not be the miracle worker you hope for. Still, for those who want to maintain their vehicle proactively, it's definitely a solid choice. This one is perfect for you if you're looking for a cost-effective solution for regular maintenance. Skip it if you're dealing with more severe engine issues that need immediate attention. It packs a good punch for its price. Now, if you want something that's even more focused on performance, the next product is definitely one to consider. Product number 4, Motor Power Care Catalytic Converter Cleaner 2X Cans. Next, we have the Motor Power Care Catalytic Converter Cleaner, available in a 2-can pack priced at $38.51. What's interesting here is that it's marketed as an oxygen sensor cleaner as well, which is a nice bonus if you're looking to tackle multiple issues at once. If you want to ensure your catalytic converter and engine are both in top shape, this is worth a look. So how does this product help? It's designed to restore engine performance by cleaning not just the catalytic converter but also the combustion chamber. This is crucial because a clean combustion chamber leads to better fuel efficiency and engine responsiveness. However, be aware that it's effective only if your catalytic converter is in good condition. If it's cracked or broken, this won't fix it. Some reviews mention that it didn't provide noticeable results immediately for all users. But if your system is generally healthy, you'll likely appreciate the improvements over time. Here's the thing. If you're already dealing with issues, it might not be the best choice, but for routine maintenance, it can definitely help. This is a solid option for you if you want a product that targets both the converter and the combustion chamber. Skip this if your catalytic converter is damaged beyond repair, as it won't help in that scenario. It's a fair investment for the performance boost. Alright, that was a solid choice. But if you want something with proven reliability from a recognized brand, our next product will not disappoint. Product number 5, Liqui-Moly Gasoline System Cleaner. Finally, we have the Liqui-Moly 2030 Proline Gasoline System Cleaner. This 500 ml bottle has been gaining traction with over 1,000 purchases recently. If you're after a reputable brand for fuel system cleaning, this is worth your attention. What sets this apart? Liqui-Moly is known for its high-quality automotive products, and this cleaner is no exception. A clean fuel system means better combustion, which translates to improved fuel economy and smoother engine operation. It's scented, which is unique for fuel additives, making the application process a little more pleasant. On the downside, some users have pointed out that the scent can be off-putting if you're sensitive to smells. But here's the thing. If you want a cleaner that really focuses on the fuel system, this is a minor drawback when compared to its effectiveness. This is perfect for you if you want to maintain your fuel system with a trusted product. Skip it if you're bothered by scents during use, as it might not be for you. It's a good investment for maintaining vehicle efficiency. Now that we've covered all 5 products, let's wrap things up. To quickly recap, we've looked at the Cataclean Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner, both the pack and single bottle, the Time-No Catalytic Converter Cleaner, the Motor Power Care Cleaner, and finally, the Liqui-Moly Gasoline System Cleaner. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Cataclean Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner. It's reliable and effective for keeping emissions in check and enhancing vehicle performance, making it a smart choice for most drivers. On the flip side, I'd avoid the Motor Power Care if your catalytic converter is already damaged. It's just not effective in those cases. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.